Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Now you read the title. I'm going to show you how to make lemon pepper wings. Hey, listen, it's football season as of right now, you know what I mean? So if you're putting out, them party foods, finger foods, things of that nature, that falls under the appetizers. You know what? This is like seriously easy to make. Instead of like calling all of these companies, to go pick them up and then bring back 40, 50 wings, I'm gonna show you how you can make them in the oven. And then from there, we're gonna have what you call some visually stunning lemon pepper wings. So let's get go ahead and just fry it. And let me just clear up one thing. In the beginning of this video, in my intro, I did say I was going to make them in the oven. But as I was thinking, I was prepping everything, I was thinking to myself, you know what, since I'm getting ready to do such a large quantity, why don't I just go ahead and just fry them? It'll be faster. I used a larger pan, just knocked them out. Listen, you can do them in the oven, you can do them in the air fryer, or you can do it the old traditional way, and you can just dip them in that vegetable oil and fry them that way. So you know what, speaking of that, let me just go ahead and show it to you just like it is. This is how they came out. You know what I mean? These is cool. Never mind the Raider helmet, I got it. Hey, and you know what? We sticking with that football theme because you know what? It's football season. You're talking about appetizers. Those of you guys that host games and parties and things of that nature, this is something that the men can just run into the kitchen, put this out, and have this out for their guests and their friends as they come over. So, enough talking. I'm getting ready to tear into one of these right now. Here we go. Lemon pepper wings is an understatement. As soon as you put it in your mouth, you can just feel it and taste it. These right here, they out of sight. Man, that is good. You know what, you guys, if you never made them at home, you know what I mean? You don't have to like go out and call out here. We got all different types of wing, I just call them wing joints. But listen, why not make them in your own kitchen? Listen, you can tailor them and make them even more lemony, if that's even a word, or however you like them. This right here is easy, fast, and my mouth is still watering. You know what I mean? Because I can smell the aroma from them, and I'm ready to just tear into these, even though I'm getting ready to have some company. So I'm probably getting ready to knock out about 12 wings before they even get here. But outside of that, so if you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that bell button so you can get the notification anytime I drop like a new video. Also, if you're new to the channel, let me take this time to say, hey, welcome to my channel. You know what I mean? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to check out the appetizer playlist that I have on my channel. Outside of that, you guys, I hope you guys like this. This is lemon pepper chicken wings. Other than that, I'm out. Peace.